Good morning, guys. I'm just smoking a cigarette. We're all pretty tired. We were up late yesterday watching the lightning strikes. I think I even recorded a few. It was difficult with this camera. Oh, there we go. Someone is showing up. Quite a coincidence. That wasn't planned at all. Yeah, I believe Mike's son is going home today. Oh, he just made a round. Said he's just going for a ride. I just greeted him. I wonder how many people have been out here while we've been here. I mean, we've met some of them, but I'm sure there's been people who showed up and then both shelters were occupied. People like him who just went for a walk or a bicycle ride, and we just didn't notice because we were sleeping or something.
Mhm.
I just performed some chiropractic or whatever you call it. Like I cracked her back and her hips and her knees and her ankles and her toes. So she's doing pretty good right now.
Going to eat.
Let's go. Okay, check it out, guys. I don't want to do the dishes because we're just gonna use some sauce for the sausages. So instead of putting it on a plate, I'm just gonna put it on these leaves and then we'll just throw them out afterwards. There we go. Pretty smart, right? Oh yeah. Not bad. We got more on the way. I'm making some tea for me and the loud friend. The others went for a walk. I just rolled a bunch of cigarettes before I left because they don't know how to roll them and we don't have others regular cigarettes. So yeah, I just made these. Running low on rolling tobacco now, but these should definitely last the rest of the days and some of tomorrow as well. I got the keys to the loud friend's apartment. He's also walking in that direction. I'm just gonna go there and pick up the food that we're storing in the fridge there, so the kid can get something to eat. I mean, he does have something to eat, it's just we're running low on kid-friendly food. So I'm just going there, picking up our food, and then I'll meet him, and yeah. I got all the food packed up, ready to go, and check out what I'm eating. I haven't had one of these since I was a kid. Almost there. Quite late already. But yeah, we're almost there. Let's go. I just delivered the food so they can start cooking something for the kid, and then I'm going back to the loud friend to help him patch Mike's bicycle tire. The inner tube, it got a puncture, so we gotta fix it because Mike's son, he's going home tomorrow, I believe, and after that he's gonna need his bike. So yeah, I'm just going over there helping out with that. See ya. These fucking things for my pants, they keep getting stuck in the bicycle one way or another, so I just tied them up right now. I'm gonna keep riding in them. I'm just gonna keep sewing them up when they break. I don't really care. Like, life happens, right?
Var det dofta, var det dofta.
Got a nasty headache.
Jeg har så ikke nogen lige nu.
I got a nasty headache. I just took one of these.
På min grønne trøje hen.
I normally never take pills, but I'm feeling like shit today. And I just don't want to feel like shit for the rest of the day. I'm making some lemon tea. I feel terrible. I'm just chilling here watching some YouTube, trying to feel better. I've just been out of commission for a few hours. I just got in my sleeping bag and yeah, I just fell asleep. I just put on the China show. I typically watch that with Stony, sometimes Dion, but especially Stony. It feels weird not watching. We had a ritual back when I was still an apartment dweller. You know, Stony's one of the friends from my Discord server, and yeah, back when I was still living in an apartment, we just watched that all the time, like every Friday. But it doesn't always line up now with my busy life. Oh my god, so many mosquitoes. But yeah, I just came to. I still kind of feel like crap, but at least I can think now. I don't know. I suspect it was something I ate. I suspect it probably wasn't heated all the way through properly. Especially considering it's not refrigerated properly. You gotta be careful out here, man. Morning, guys. Check out what I woke up to. I had to move the backpack around, move the kid over there, and just generally move out of the way and wake up because this shelter here, it's busted. There's no center support pillar. Sorry, I just woke up. Or column in the center as in the other one. So the whole shelter is swaying downwards, and as a result, the plastic lining, I don't know exactly what the correct term is in English, but the plastic lining that is at the bottom, that is covered in dirt, you know, with the plants growing on top from the outside, well, it gets, water just kind of sits here and stays here. So over time it gets softened and water will seep through. Whereas in the other shelter, which seems to be a smarter design with a center column, the whole shelter, it stays even. So from the side view, all of the water, it just falls off perfectly off the edge. Kind of like it does here at the entrance. You can see how it drips down evenly, right? Because the roof is even. But yeah, it kind of pools up here, and this is the result. Check that out. That's a full Pringles can. And that's not the first one, okay? I emptied it already. Yeah. It's raining cats and dogs out here. But I guess we're just gonna have another chill day of not doing much. I'm fine with that. I don't have some kind of job to go to, so yeah, let's go. I gotta pick up some water though, because we basically emptied out everything. So I have to do the dreadful task of getting out there on the bicycle and filling up some water so we can have tea and whatnot. Guys, I don't remember if I told you this, but every time I go to sleep, unless I just crash out, I undress entirely inside my backpack and just push all the clothes to the bottom of the backpack. One, so you can heat your feet with the residual body warmth that is still embedded in the fabric, you know? It'll still be hot when you take it off. And secondly, in this case, there's a lot of sand around, but there'll always be some kind of dirt or particles around, so it stays clean, you know? And another thing, it doesn't get wet in case something happens, or rather, you would notice it, right? Because if your sleeping bag gets wet, you're gonna get wet, and you're gonna wake up. So maybe you'll get to put the clothes on before any big catastrophe. But yeah, time to empty the Pringles can and get my hoodie on and get on the bicycle, fill up some water. See you in a little bit. Den er fyldt med vand, fordi det har regnet. Du vil have slik. Jeg tror, du skal have en bollemarker. Ja, det vil jeg også. I pulled the bike over. I gotta pee. I got the water. And check this out. Let's get it. Okay. Var det mere? Okay. That's fine. It's fine. You can stop. I'll say when. I just want to make sure it's properly clean. Alright, go ahead. If you aim it directly down, it's easier to control. You can squeeze a bit more. We got the water, we can go get more. You don't have to be super conserving. You can press a bit more. I'm boiling some water, not tea. Let me just get this thing out, because I'm gonna heat up some water so we can clean all this greasy stuff over there. And also tea. Oh yeah, this thing fell off as well. I think it's time I get some new water bottles, for real. I gotta get like a decent titanium water bottle eventually. There we go. I made tea. They made sausages. I think you can even see them there. They're being moved. I think I'm gonna boil some more water so I can clean this stuff that has been exposed to either raw meat or cooked meat. It's just greasy. I just wipe down my phone with some alcohol. I do that regularly. We're moving over to the original shelter. The other one, we got water coming through. We spilled some sticky soda there, so we're just moving over now. The rain subsided a little bit, so it's the perfect time to move. I'm just wiping all the sand and stuff away, so it's gonna be a little cleaner for a little longer. And now we're moving stuff. Let's go. Okay. Gotta wash a dish. We need to cut some meat.
The loud friend.
Let's just use a little bit here. There we go. That's enough. Just make sure to get off all the grease. This one wasn't that greasy, but for the other ones, I'm gonna need to boil some. Well, not boil, but heat up some water. You don't need to actually get it to a boil. Slightly heat it up so you can get that grime to not stick all over the sponge, because that is hell. Alright, let's rinse it. Under my hand. Alright. And that's good, thanks. Nej, det lige ved tørre. Eller bare lige holde den i hvert fald. Nu kan jeg lige gøre sådan her. Alright. Yeah, leave no trace. Oh yeah, I forgot my garbage bin bags. But yeah, we got this place cleaned up. It's just a loud friend's bike that remains. And now we fully moved back over in the other one. And it's a lot cleaner now. You know, we don't have all kinds of sand in there. We wiped everything down. It's nice. Home sweet home.
Hi folks.
Hey.
This is Kiki. Spis din pudding. Eat your sausage.
Still got a bit of stuff to clean. And some garbage to throw out. Let's just do that right away. Check it out. Kiki's helping me. She's keeping my feet fixated so I can do these push-ups. I'm also doing the sideways push-ups. I gotta use my calories. Check it out.
Jeg vil se som dig.
Så bliver det lige lavet video.
See?
Jeg
Check it
kan
out.
ikke lide det.
Look at this.
Jeg kan ikke lide det, far. Jeg kan ikke lide det.
Men det kan vi. Wow.
Det ved jeg ikke.
Okay, finally I got some time to make some more, or boil some more water. I'm gonna use some of it to clean and the rest for tea. Or maybe I'll just make tea now. I'll probably just make tea now.
Jeg vil
I had to put on my winter jacket, and it's got these nice straps, so if it's too warm, I can take it off. But yeah, I'm gonna use the water I just boiled for cleaning this stuff out here. Let's do it. Never mind, people want tea. I'm gonna have to clean that up later. You will subscribe. You will like. Look at this combo. I'm not into energy drinks, but this stuff by Faxakundi, it's much better than the original soda. And then we got the Swedish Mabu. Pretty sure it's Swedish. I love this jacket. Oh my God.
Come on.
It's great.
Come on.
I bought it when I was still living in Holland at my best friend. It's a great winter jacket. It's got this insulation stuff on the inside that really heats it up properly. And then of course it's got the backpack straps so you can just take it off at any point. And it's got some internal pockets and stuff. It's great. And deep side pockets. These ones here, they're very deep. And then it's even got chest pockets where I hide some of my my most beloved valuables. One pocket I got this. Oh, okay, this is not a valuable. I just put it in there. This thing is my my neck warmer for in the winter. I've had this for a long time. It's saved my life. And then in the other pocket, the one closest to my heart, I have this thing, which is the oldest possession I have. Okay, this headband. My mom gave this to me when I was like between 2 and 4 years old, and it's just expanded with my head over time. I know it doesn't look that way, but it used to be kid-sized, but I've just kept using it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but his feet are steaming. It's crazy, right? It's so wet everywhere. Check out what I got. Got this thing for bottles so you don't, or for a can, so you don't have to hold on to the cold can. Let's go. I'm just eating some more. Just eating all day, relaxing.
Yeah.
It's terrible weather.
So,
just watching some YouTube, relaxing. I should be editing, but I'm not gonna. I'm in the shitter for the second time this hour. All this meat. Ah, no. Oh, look at that. It's illuminating. That's why I got it instead of the regular colors, because you'll be able to see it when everything is dark. So you don't, you know, tip it over, or just so you can acquire some water. Also, don't worry about cross-contamination. This part doesn't get anywhere near the business end when I use it to clean myself. What I do is basically just toilet paper first to get the worst of it, and then this thing, and then you basically just use this part of your finger here. You don't want to dig anything into under your fingernails, so use this part right here to you know, clean around the business area. And then once that is done, you of course need to wash your hands to get the worst of it. And then afterwards you just this is dirty. I use this for dishes and stuff, and then for cleaning some feet, so I guess I can use it because I lost my booty towel, or I don't know where it is right now, so I'll just use this. And then afterwards, gotta wash your hands. I got soap and I got water for that, and then I'll not dry my hands in this. I'll dry it in a clean rack. Yeah, that's how it works. Let's go. Round 2. Fight.
hjemme mig selv. Og det er bare fordi det er koldt den her.
The loud friend just borrowed my bicycle to go pick up the power station and just charge it up a little bit, and then he's gonna be back. Me and Mike, we have to prepare some food and get the fire going again. And yeah, I'm just sitting here editing. I've been editing most of the day. I've been kind of behind, so yeah. And just eating. I'm just eating. I'm just drying some of my clean underwear. It got a little wet last night, or in the morning, I guess, when the water was dripping down in the other shelter over there. I want to go pee, but I'm not honestly that motivated. Just look at this. It seems like it's only getting worse. Loud friend just came back. He charged up a power bank, and he also got very wet shoes, so we're trying to help him out, getting him to dry out. He's stuffing some newspapers in there to help soak up the moisture when it evaporates and stuff. And yeah, we're just trying to get this fire up and going. Oh, sorry. Maybe. I've purposely been staying away from the fire for the past few days, man. I've been smelling like fire for the past few weeks. And having had access to showers, I just kind of wanted to not smell like fire for a few days at least. I'm gonna go back in. This mighty piece of meat I just seasoned. Just pepper and salt. I wish I had some thyme, but yeah, this is gonna be good. Sorry about the flickering. It's because of this flashlight. Oh wow. It's not cooked yet. It's just the flashlight makes it look weird. Yeah, time for cooking. We just had one moment of respite with the weather, so Mikey took the chance, immediately went and got some water. And me and the loud friend were on cooking duty. And Kiki, she's just chilling. And little guy, he's on the cartoons. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna clean this stuff, and because it's all grimy, it's full of fatty tissue and just straight up fat, and it's cold. And instead of wasting your time, your patience, and your sponge, because your sponge is gonna get gunked up in wet fat, and you're not gonna be able to get it off. So what I did is I heated up some water in the trangia or in the kettle, and then I'm gonna use that hot water, and also I just foamed this up. I put some hot water on it. Be careful not to burn your hands, okay? I didn't put it to a boil, I just heated it up. Okay, it's pretty hot, like you don't want to put it directly on your hands, but it's also not gonna leave second-degree burns or anything. And yeah, once you got some hot water on here, and the sponge is hot as well, then you can actually work off all that grime pretty easily. It just comes right off. And on the bottom side as well. And then I'm probably gonna want to do that twice with this one because it has so much grease and fat. Let me just see if that's gonna be necessary. So this handle is gonna get dirty from me handling it, but thankfully it's removable, so I can just clean it. Let's see here. Yeah, I think that's good actually. Okay, can you give me some water? Two-handed action from Kiki here. Oh, careful. Go ahead. You can tilt it back up so you can get some more air in. Yeah, okay. And again. Yeah. I think we're getting it clean. Yep, and then my hands, please. Thank you. And the other one. Perfect. Okay, so we got the frying pan cleaned. And let me just use this. This is not. Oh, damn. It's just say okay. And keep going. It's just saying low on storage. I gotta edit so I can delete stuff. Okay. I think that's pretty damn clean. Yeah, no grime. Nothing.
Nej, jeg hørte faktisk, der kom noget.
And then I'm gonna do the same for the rest, but it's not as bad. So, yeah, that's it. I'm making more tea. And the guys. Just working on the fire. Teamwork. It's wet. I wish I hadn't broken my air mattress blower. I had a little portable air mattress blower, light power bank combo. that shit up. Alright, let's dry that shit out. There we go, we got some flames licking the meat now. We need cinnamon tea in the making and a bunch of activities always. So I added a bit of curry and of course salt, and now I'm gonna add the juice from when we cut that big nice piece of meat. I didn't even film it because we just entered this primitive kind of blood rush, and we were just all the men, we were just eating meat out of our hands, and it was just cooked perfectly, you know, bloody and but not completely pink, you know. It was just fucking amazing, immaculate. Okay, let me get the rest of this good juice off. That's gonna be nice flavor. Let's see, what do I do? What do I do? I think I got it. Okay, I'll use this thing. Not too much water. Just enough to get this loosened up and get that extra flavor. Alright. And out in the rain. The rain just went crazy again. Check it out. I just put the simmering on. It's pretty good. More meat. Oh my god. We're eating like kings today. I mean, it's the last day we're gonna have the kids, so we just went all out. Well, the others did. I'm broke. But it's nice. Hey, look at this. 3 plates. And the rice. Let's see how good they are. I'm not so sure. Ah, they're burnt. Damn. Yeah, I was a little busy doing many things, so let's just take the top rice. It should still be good. Yeah. Yeah, I can do many things. I can multitask, but if I have to use all 8 arms, you know, 1 or 2 things, they're just gonna have to suffer in quality. And this time, it was the bottom of the rice. But it's all good. We got plenty. We got spare rice, just in case we can boil some more. I'm trying to get as few burned ones as possible. There shouldn't be any burned ones there. I don't mind the slightly burned ones. Like the ones on the edges, those are fine. I just don't want to serve you guys burned food, you know what I mean? I'll take some medium burned food. For myself.
Bare smid lidt oveni der.
Alright. Dinner is served. We got all kinds of sauces that we can use as well. All kinds. So let's dig in.
It's over. Eh?
Yeah, so check out what we made. Kiki just woke up. Sorry about the light. She just woke up. She's eating too.
Mørber. Nej. Hvad spiser du?
Har du noget?
Ja, har du spist det hele? Sutter med. Sådan, du må få et lille stykke ham.
Alt undtagen den der pølse. Værsgo, Dennis.
Hvorfor du ikke med det?
Den du spiser.
Du har bare spist resten.
Er du mere sulten?
Ja,
Hvad vil du have?
mørbrad.
Okay. Gotta share. It tastes better that way. More tea. Always more tea. Every day. Multiple times a day. Tea, tea, tea. Tea. Tea.
Du må gerne følge med til min.
Ja, vi vil alle sammen gerne have mere te.
Jeg vil gerne drikke din kop. Kan du kalde min kop og din kop?
Okay, there you go. Double bagged granular sugar. One bag here, and then another one in case one punctures. It's not my preference, but hey, we need tea.
Ja.
I'm all done, guys. I ate a lot of food today. I had a lot of fun, hung out, chilled. Did a lot of dishes as well. I'm just kind of tired. Good night, guys.